Early morning chores on an Indiana dairy farm start long before the family gathers for breakfast. First, it's the dairy cows that need attention. Milking, feeding, always thinking about the ladies' well-being. To dairy farmer Alan Wright, it begins with family.
Our farm started in 1933. In that time, we've been milking twice a day, every day. It's about 29,300 and some odd days in a row that we milk cows. What makes our farm work is just family. It takes all of us as a team to milk cows every day and to feed the cattle and to do an operation that we do.
Indiana dairy farmers feed the world. It's what they do. Early morning till late at night, every single day.